Some say we in Cape Town, some say we in Margate. But we are in Gauteng, in Midstream Estate, and the smaller suburb, Midstream Hill Estate. It's opposite the Mediclinic Hospital, close to the main gate, and this house with 7 bedrooms, all ensuite, 5 garages, on a big stand of 2,500 square meters, and the house is just below 1,000 square meters under roof, and it's available for 15,900,000 rand. Let me show you this. Come and have a look. So on this one, your garages are split. You got 3 garages on the one side and then 2 on the other side, with a welcoming entrance at the middle here. 2 garages there and 3 on this side. Welcoming entrance. Fish ponds on both sides. Beautiful welcoming entrance. This welcoming entrance, you got 2 koi ponds or water features, whatever you want to use it for. You'll notice this is quite a big, nice entrance. I'm close to 1.8 meters, and if you can see this size on this door, it's definitely higher than standard. Coming in on this welcoming entrance with your staircase that form this beautiful feature of this house. Lots of living area available. You can design and do your layout, but work on 5, maybe 6 living areas, depends on how you position your furniture. In the middle, coming down with your staircase, in the middle you got a big fireplace, a wooden fireplace, ideal for winter time. And then both sides of the fireplace you can access onto the patio, and onto the patio, direct onto the living areas outside around your pool. Coming to this side, you got your guest room. So like I said, there's 7 bedrooms, of which the first one is downstairs, and then also 6 ensuite upstairs. Show you the one here downstairs. Soft closing toilets, beautiful granite Caesar stone tops, not granite, Caesar stone tops, and frameless showers. Your guest room, on this side we have a guest bathroom including a shower, but coming to this side is your first bedroom ensuite. Spacious overall, coming in here, and again soft closes. As you can see, it's closing soft with a loose standing bath, his and hers basins, frameless showers, and beautiful space for your guest. Lots of cupboards in your guest room, beautiful open space with your own door going out onto the garden. Beautiful space outside, lovely open area, and just enough for your guest to come and visit. Let me take you from here through the house to the kitchen. You'll also notice as we're going out, all the wooden architraves around all the doors. Nicely solid bolt finished wood all around the door frames. A few of these bulkheads built-in feature lights that capture the focus in that central point in that room, in a specific room. Your garages enter both sides of the entrance walls, and on this side we also have a private cinema room that you can utilize also for a private lounge. I'll show you that now. Coming through to the kitchen. Coming into the kitchen, your dining room suite next to your kitchen area, beautifully located. While you're busy preparing, your guests can sit here or they can sit in the lounge area and you're busy preparing a meal. Separate scullery and laundry area on this side, and beautiful open workspace with an induction oven and space for your fridge. Everything located close by to prepare a meal for your guests. In this main kitchen is not the only part where you can prepare. Let me show you to the second part where all the things start happening. Second fridge. And then also another gas oven here with extractor and preparation zinc with a slider window opening up on this side, and you can work through here to the main kitchen. In this scullery area we do have enough space for all your appliances, dishwasher, tumble dryer and washing machine ready to go. Let me show you this private cinema room, or let me say TV room. Cinema room we can do on that side as well, but this can be like a TV, informal for the kids, or just a nice place to sit and chill while you're waiting for your food. Also nice with the bulkheads. I haven't switched on any lights for you to see the natural light coming in, to experience it and to see there's lots of natural light. It's a bit cloudy outside, but still enough light coming in with all the curtains not totally enclosed. Let's look at the study. This house also do have a private study area. Coming from your other garage, your second garage with the two parking garage on this side, and then entering, and from here you also have a door going straight out to your parking area just in front of your front door. So you can even enclose here, bring your people into your study room and they can leave without going into your house. Very private and secure. Ideal for a meeting. You can close up and it's nice and quiet. On your bedroom, on your garage, on this side, you do have standby battery and an inverter. You do have an option to put on extra solar panels. We do have solar for your geyser, 2 solar panels for the geysers here. So let me show you the additional room that you can utilize as a cinema room, private lounge. At this stage, they use this as an ironing room. It's enough. It's also private. It's separate. So let me show you. You do have space for surround sound points. You can convert this in a total cinema, private lounge, and like I say, even play room for kids. you can open it up as you wish with folding stacking doors on the eastern side, the northern side and on the western side, and both sides of your braai you do have doors that you can even close off that makes it nice. Going from here onto the deck and a beautiful open landscaped garden. While standing here on the outside, you do have a boma braai and enough space for kids to play, run around, and we're facing north here and it's 2,500 square meters and it's so peaceful and quiet. Hear the birds, everything is just quiet, and see the landscape path with the walking way all around in this garden. So peaceful, and you can see this beautiful house. Large trees surrounding this property, landscaped with your irrigation, everything beautiful in place. Ideal putting out some umbrellas here, visualize yourself with some sunbeds here. You get the feeling like this might be on a beach, like a guest house or something. While you're walking outside, you see the pink flowers, the berries, the purple flowers, and it feels like it's somewhere close to an island because of this architectural design, the colors outside, and just the beautiful surroundings. Get you this holiday resort feeling of this beautiful property. Let's go and view upstairs. You'll notice when we enter the property, there's a big nice double volume area. We're entering the house and you'll notice the big staircase. The staircase is a feature, like I said in the beginning, of this property. Looking at this marble finishes on your staircase, it's beautiful. Upstairs we do have 3 ensuite bedrooms on this side of the house, and we do have 3 ensuite bedrooms that side of the house. In the middle on this space here is your pajama lounge with slider doors opening up onto this balcony. A bit of exposed trusses give you a lot of natural light to come in, and beautiful lights. As you can notice, this open feeling that needs a lot of natural light as well. All these bedrooms are so well sized that you can utilize this side or that side as one of the 2 main bedrooms. But you'll notice it's quite confusing. You'll walk in and you'll say, this is the main, no, the next one, no. Then when you get to the last 2, you can decide which one you want to utilize as your main. Coming in here, all natural open space with solid wood flooring. Double vanity, his and hers, frameless showers, and then also a Gibber toilet. Notice the different look and feel on the bulkheads that's built in the bedrooms. And your cupboards for kids' rooms, way than enough. This can be one of your main bedrooms. Look at the amount of cupboards. Beautifully positioned with air conditioning, bulkheads, own private balcony, and enough space even for a little lounge suite. Let me show you the main bathroom. Again, soft closes with a bidet, his and hers basins, loose standing bath, all in place. Perfect. Coming into bedroom number 3. Repeat on the dresser. Space on your his and hers. Bath built in, shower and a cabinet toilet. Bedroom on this side with air conditioning. Again, solid flooring, bulkheads and the ideal natural light that you're looking for. Focusing on this area, you'll notice that you got this PJ lounge. It's way bigger than a standard PJ lounge, double volume with lots of natural light. We're going to the other 3 bedrooms on that side. Entering the first bedroom, a repetition of what you've seen in all the other bedrooms. Same quality, amount of cupboards, solid floors, bulkheads, space, ensuite, shower, basin and toilet, cabinet toilets. Let's look at bedroom number 5. Every time you're getting out of one of these bedrooms, you see this beautiful open living areas with a double volume and a natural light coming in. Looking at this, big open space, natural light coming in, bulkheads, quality flooring, dresser area, lots of built-in cupboards and even drawers. That makes it special. Full bathroom, shower, basins, toilet, give it a toilet and a built-in bath. Let's look at the main. So like I said, on that side you do have an option to choose this or that side as a main bedroom. Dresser, big walk-in bathroom, shower, loose standing bath with hand showers, his and hers basins, give it a toilet plus a bidet. Looking at this, also natural light coming in on the east and on the northern side, big nice bulkheads, natural light, beautiful finished bedroom that you can utilize as your main bedroom.